Welcome students. Let us discuss the important naming reaction aldol condensation. What is aldol condensation? In the presence of dilute base like sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide, two molecules of an aldehyde or ketone which are having alpha hydrogen added together to give beta hydroxy ketone in that is called as the ketol, or beta hydroxyaldehyde that is called as the aldol. So this reaction is known as aldol condensation. For example, when acetaldehyde CH3 C double bond O, this is hydrogen. When two molecules of acetaldehyde added together in presence of dilute alkali sodium hydroxide and gives CH3 CH OH CH2 CHO. It gives an aldol. Name of this compound is 3-hydroxy butanil. Both aldehyde group and also hydroxyl group is present in the same compound, and this reaction is called as the aldol condensation. Actually, this reaction takes place in 3 steps. Let us discuss the mechanism of the reaction. First, step 1. The first step, the carbanion is formed. Here, one molecule of acetaldehyde, this can be written as acetaldehyde. When this acetaldehyde is treated with a base, this base which contain this OH group, this negative charge attract this proton. So here a proton is removed from the aldehyde. This negative charge attract the proton. So this proton is removed from the aldehyde, so that we will be getting CH2 CHO. That is, a carbanion is formed. This is a carbanion. Carbanion is formed. The second step, the carbonyl carbon attacks the carbonyl carbon of another aldehyde. That is, this is the carbanion. This carbanion CH2 CHO, this carbanion attack the carbonyl carbon of another aldehyde. This is the carbonyl carbon, and this carbanion attacks this carbon atom, so that there is a formation of alkoxide. So we will be getting CH3 CH O minus, this oxygen, CH2 CHO. This is alkoxide. In third step, this alkoxide, that is CH3 CH O minus CH2 CHO. This is the alkoxide ion. Now this alkoxide ion gets protonated by water. So this OH attract this hydrogen. So we will be getting a aldol. CH3 CH OH CH2 CHO. Name of this compound is 3-hydroxy butanil. This is aldol condensation. I repeat once again. It's in the presence of dilute alkali like sodium hydroxide. The aldehyde which containing alpha hydrogen added together and form the aldol in aldehyde. If it is ketone means they form the ketol. Alpha hydrogen means this is the carbon, functional group carbon. The next carbon is called as the alpha carbon, and the carbon which carries this hydrogen is known as alpha hydrogen. So this is the alpha carbon and this hydrogen is known as the alpha hydrogen. So here it takes place, this mechanism of this reaction takes place in 3 steps. The first one is one of the hydrogen is removed by the base so that there is a formation of carbon ion. In second step, this carbon ion attack the carbonyl compound of another aldehyde which is unionized. Now it form a alkoxide ion. And third step, this alkoxide ion is protonated by water so that it form a aldol. Now this aldol, when it is heated with an acid, there is a dehydration takes place, that is removal of water molecules takes place, and it form alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde, that is removal of water molecule, and we will be getting CH3, CH, double bond CH, CHO. Name of this compound is crotonaldehyde. This is alpha beta hydroxy unsaturated aldehyde is formed. Next we will see the Krast aldol condensation. When the aldol condensation reaction takes place between 2 different aldehydes or ketones, and that is called Krast aldol condensation. For example, formaldehyde, when it is react with acetaldehyde CH3 CHO acetaldehyde, the presence of dilute sodium hydroxide, it gives OH CH2 CH2 CHO, that is 3-hydroxy propanil. The same way, when formaldehyde react with acetone, here aldehyde and also a ketone. This kind of reaction also called as the Krast aldol condensation. One is aldehyde, another one is ketone. When they two combine together, the presence of dilute sodium hydroxide, and we will be getting CH2 CH2 C double bond O CH3, that is 4-hydroxy butane 2-ol. So 4-hydroxy, there are 4 carbon atoms there. The 4th carbon contain the hydroxyl group, so 2nd carbon contain the carbonyl group, so 4-hydroxy 2-butanone. Name of the compound is 4-hydroxy 2-butanone. So Krast aldol condensation means 2 different aldehyde or one aldehyde, another compound is a ketone. They just combine together, added together, we are getting a product, and this is a aldol and this is a ketol.